Horses really do facilitate healing in the workshop by just being horses. They have this ability to read what's going on the inside of a person, maybe even parts the person isn't even aware of. And then my business partner and horse trainer, Buddy Uldrikson, will usually be in the round pen with the person and the horse, so there's a sense of safety. And then we start working with the horse and stuff starts percolating up for the person.
You know, and on the outside, they're presenting, well, this is who I am, this is, watch what I can do. And the horse looks at the deeper issue and says, no, this is where you're at. So they kind of give you what you need. They need to work more deep within themselves. I don't need to know the history of the person. The horse will just bring something up and we go to work from there.
They might be a little bit fearful at first. We would work with that in a way that is honoring for the person, and then we start working with that and helping the person kind of move into a place of inner connection with themselves. And when the person gets connected with themselves and what's really going on, the horse resonates with that. They become like a tuning fork for the individual. So that person then starts getting more in alignment with the truth of who they are and the truth of what they feel.